Hello students. So here we continue with the integration lecture 8, that's integration by parts. A few more questions on integration by parts, MCQs and its applications. So integration by parts you are done last time in the last lecture. I'll just say the formula again. Integration of u into v dx. u into v dx is equal to u, वैसे ही लिखना है, v का इंटीग्रेशन माइनस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ u का डेरिवेटिव और v का इंटीग्रेशन को मल्टीप्लाई करना है इनटू द होल dx. ओके, सो द प्रोसेस इज व्हाट, प्लेस u एज इट इज. u वैसे लिखना है, v का इंटीग्रेशन लेना है माइनस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ब्रैकेट में डेरिवेटिव ऑफ u इज मल्टीप्लाइड टू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ v. इसका आंसर है वो और एक बार इंटीग्रेट करना है. क्लियर? और फिर मैंने बोला था सिलेक्शन ऑफ u एंड v. फॉर सिलेक्शन ऑफ u एंड v रिमेंबर द वर्ड लिएट. L stands for log, inverse, algebraic, trigonometric, exponential. Whatever function comes first, that's taken as u, and the other function is taken as v. Okay, this is your first function, this is your second function, and the formula is integration of first function into second function is equal to first function वैसे रखना है, second का integration minus integration of first का derivative into second का integration, ये पूरा को integrate करना है, right? So let's solve this question now. Integration of root of x square plus a square. That's the standard formula also. This is called as root quadratic. So for this I had told you, you have to write this as integration of I is equal to integration of root of x square plus a square into 1 dx. You have to write this as into 1 dx. Clear? I'll mark this as equation number 1. हम लोग ने क्वेश्चन को इक्वेशन 1 मार्क किया है बिकॉज वो काम आएगा लास्ट में. उसको इंटू 1 लिखा है. नाउ वी अप्लाई u इंटू वी, है ना. सो व्हेन यू राइट इंटू 1 यू ऑलवेज टेक द फर्स्ट फंक्शन एज u एंड 1 को हमेशा v लेना है, राइट. सो अगेन वी यूज द फॉर्मूला फॉर इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ u इंटू वी. u इंटू वी, सो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ u इंटू वी, द फॉर्मूला इज u इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ v dx माइनस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ integration of v dx into derivative of u the whole dx, right. So this becomes I is equal to u is root of x square plus a square into integration of 1 का integration is x minus बड़ा integration into, now tell me what's the derivative of root of x square plus a square. So root of x square plus a square का derivative is 1 upon 2 root of x square plus a square into derivative of x square भी आएगा. इसका derivative is 2x into derivative of v का integration. v का integration is x the whole dx. Okay. सो मैंने यहाँ पे उल्टा लिखा था, v का इंटीग्रेशन u का डेरिवेटिव, ठीक है ना. दैट डजंट मेक्स एनी डिफरेंस. सो द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ u, दिस का डेरिवेटिव इज 1 अपॉन 2 रूट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ अदर टर्म ऑल्सो. अंदर वाले टर्म का डेरिवेटिव 2x आएगा एंड 1 का इंटीग्रेशन इज x हियर. सो हियर यू कैन सी हियर that 2 and 2 gets cancelled and x into x becomes x square, right. X into x becomes x square. So you can write this function as I is equal to, the first term you had was x into root of x square plus a square, right, minus integration of, now what do you have there, क्या बचा है वहाँ पे, x into x is x square, so you have x square upon root of x square plus a square the whole dx, right. now how do you integrate this? now हम लोग ने u का डेरिवेटिव और v का इंटीग्रेशन मल्टीप्लाई करके ये आंसर लेके आया. ओके, ना, यू हैव टू इंटीग्रेट दिस टर्म. ना इसको इंटीग्रेट करने के लिए व्हाट वी डू इज वी मेक द न्यूमरेटर सेम एज द डिनोमिनेटर का रूट वाला टर्म. तो यहाँ पे एक्स स्क्वायर है, यहाँ पे एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर है, तो उसको हम लोग को क्या करना है, प्लस ए स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर. मेक द न्यूमरेटर सेम एज द डिनोमिनेटर. सो आई विल राइट आई इज इक्वल टू एक्स root of x square plus a square minus integration of x square plus a square minus a square the whole upon root of x square plus a square. Okay, root of x square plus a square the whole dx. Now what I am going to do is I am going to separate these terms. So when I separate them, first term will be what? First term will be, इसको separate करने का this upon this and this upon this. So first term you get is x square plus a square upon root of x square plus a square. Now what is x square plus a square upon root of x square plus a square? It's going to be root of x square plus a square. Is that clear? Yes or no? What is phi upon root phi? Phi upon root phi को we can write root phi, है ना? वैसे x square plus a square upon root of x square plus a square becomes root of x square plus a square, and second term बचेगा a square upon root of x square plus a square. So I can write this as I is equal to x into root of x square plus a square minus integration of bracket में the first term becomes root of x square plus a square minus a square upon root of x square plus a square dx. Is that clear to all? Now what we do is we take this integration and minus sign inside. So integration और minus sign को अंदर लेके आओ, first term का integration आएगा and minus into minus becomes plus, second term का integration आएगा, उसमें a square constant है बाहर चला जाएगा. Bring that integration inside and minus sign inside. So you get I is equal to the first term is x root of x square plus a square. Then you had minus integration of root of x square plus a square dx, and then minus into minus. You can see here minus into minus becomes plus. So that will become plus a square constant integration of 1 upon root of x square plus a square. Is that clear to all? Now you can see this is your question only. ये वापस अपना question ही आ गया. Check this is your question only, है ना? ये अपना question आ गया, तो इसको हम लोग क्या substitute कर सकते हैं? I. So here we can put I for this term. So this is I. So you can write that for I is equal to x into root of x square plus a square minus I प्लस ए स्क्वायर इंटू इसका फॉर्मूला 1 बाई क्वाड्रेटिक का रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला क्या था? लॉग ऑफ मॉड ऑफ एक्स प्लस रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर प्लस सी. लॉग ऑफ मॉड ऑफ एक्स प्लस रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर प्लस सी. राइट, नाउ वी कैन शिफ्ट दैट आई ऑन दिस साइड. ये आई को वहाँ पे शिफ्ट कर दो, आई वहाँ पे जाएगा तो प्लस हो जाएगा, आई प्लस आई बिकम्स 2i, है ना? सो इफ आई प्लस आई बिकम्स 2i देन आई बिकम्स हाफ ऑफ दैट. सो यू कैन राइट 2i is equal to x by 2. 2i is equal to x into root of x square plus a square plus a square into log of mod of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. Okay, so divide by 2, dividing throughout by 2, get I is equal to x by 2 into root of x square plus a square plus a square by 2 into log of mod of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c by 2, है ना? And instead of that c by 2, c is a constant, upon 2 is also a constant. So ये c by 2 को you can write capital C. Yes or no? Because constant upon constant is constant. So when you write the formula, you can just write c there. So you have derived the formula here, integration of root of x square plus a square dx is equal to, you should write x by 2 into root of x square plus a square plus a square by 2 into log of mod of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. That's the answer. So you have three formulas for root of quadratic. Similarly, you can prove the other two also. Okay. So you can simplify integration root of x square minus a square and root of a square minus x square. Now how to remember these formulae? How to remember this formula? Uske liye I have one method. These are three 1 by root quadratic formula. है ना? So to remember, integration of root of quadratic formula. You have to write x by 2 into root of that quadratic, whatever is given the question. क्या लिखना है? x by 2 into root of the same quadratic what you have in the question there. उसके बाद you should write plus a square or minus a square by 2. Now in the question if a square is positive तो plus a square by 2 आएगा. And in the question if a square is negative then it's going to be a square minus a square by 2. So इसका sign depends on ये वाली जो sign है ना, ये वाली sign, okay, this sign will be the sign of a square in the question. Okay, a square by 2 into you have to use the formula, you have to multiply here with into, you have to multiply by the formula of 1 by root quadratic. Is that clear to all? You have to multiply by the formula of 1 by root quadratic. So how to remember the formula? Integration of root of quadratic is equal to x by 2 into write the same root quadratic. Then question में a square positive तो plus a square by 2, minus होगा तो minus a square by 2, a square by 2 multiply by the formula of 1 upon root quadratic. 1 upon root quadratic का formula से multiply करना. That's the method, you remember the formula there. Okay. So let's write all the three formulas together and you should know how to write the formula. So your first formula is integration root of x square plus a square dx. So how you write this? X by 2 root of x square plus a square. यहाँ पे a square पॉजिटिव है तो प्लस a square by 2 इंटू इसका 1 by का फॉर्मूला. इसका 1 अपॉन का फॉर्मूला क्या था? log of mod of x प्लस रूट ऑफ x square plus a square plus c. log of mod of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. So क्या किया हम लोग ने? x by 2 लिखना है, जो रूट है वो सेम रूट लिखना है. उसके बाद a स्क्वायर पॉजिटिव है तो प्लस a स्क्वायर बाई 2 प्लस a स्क्वायर बाई 2 प्लस a स्क्वायर बाई 2 प्लस है ना, तो प्लस a स्क्वायर बाई 2 इंटू उसका 1 बाई का फॉर्मूला log of mod of x plus root of x square plus a square. Come on, you all try the second one. What is the integration root of x square minus a square dx? Integration root of x square minus a square dx is equal to x by 2 into that same root. So you will write root of x square minus a square. Further you have minus a square by 2 into log of mod of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. Log of mod of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. Okay. Log of mod of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. Let's write the third formula. That's a very important theorem for state board exams also. So integration root of a square minus x square dx. यहाँ पे a square positive है, x square negative है. So you write the same method, x by 2 into root of a square minus x square. a square minus x square. यहाँ पे a square positive है तो plus a square by 2 आएगा into इसका 1 by का formula. इसका 1 by का formula was sin inverse of x by a plus c. Is that clear? So always write x by 2 into that same root. Then go back to the question. उसमें a square positive है तो a square by 2. Negative है तो a square minus a square by 2 आएगा. Into multiply this the formula of 1 by that same root quadratic. Clear to all? So please remember the formula as well as the theorems also. So similarly you can prove the, जैसे हम लोग ने first one किया second करना है, इसको into 1 u into v use करना है, into 1 into u into v use करना है. Okay? So please try these two questions, solve them. Now we solve a few MCQs on integration of u into v dx. Okay? So this is a JEE question. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ई रेस टू एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स क्यूब, ई रेस टू एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स क्यूब डी एक्स. यहाँ पे इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ई रेस टू एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स क्यूब डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू, they have given the answer also, e raised to x square into f of x plus c, e raised to x square into f of x plus c, where c is a constant of integration and f of 1 का value 0, then find the value of f of 2. You have to solve this and जो आंसर मिलेगा ना वो इसके साथ कंपेयर करना है, उसमें से हम लोग को f of x का वैल्यू मिलेगा and whatever f of x you get, you have to put 2 in that function. So you have to find the value of f of 2. So this is your integral now. You have integration of e raised to x square into x cube dx. x cube को है ना हम लोग स्प्लिट करेंगे, यहाँ पे ऊपर x square है तो डायरेक्टली सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते. तो इफ आई टेक दिस एज t, तो इसको भी मेरे को x square को लिखना पड़ेगा x square into x dx. ओके, सो x cube को विल राइट x square into x. So let's solve this. Your question is integration of e raised to x square into x cube था ना, x cube को I'll write x square into x dx, x square into x dx. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that x square को t, ये x square और ये x square को t लेने वाला हूँ मैं. What's the derivative of x square? x square का derivative 2x होता है, right? So I want 2x there. तो 2x लाने के लिए I'll multiply and divide by 2. 2x लाने के लिए we multiply and divide by 2. तो बाहर 2 से divide किया और अंदर 2 से multiply किया. Is that clear? आई रिपीट अगेन, मैंने क्वेश्चन में एक्स क्यूब को लिखा एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स और 2 से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड किया. नाउ आई विल से पुट टी इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर. तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर बिकम्स 2x dx, 2x dx, right? So my question becomes what? Half integration of e raised to t into x square is t and 2x dx is dt. Is that clear to all? So you have half outside and you can use u into v formula now. इसमें exponential भी है और algebraic भी है. So algebra is taken as u and exponential is taken as v. Use u into v का formula और half constant बाहर है. So this becomes half into bracket में integration of u into v use करना है, right? So u remains as it is, t into integration of e raised to t is e raised to t minus integration of bracket में derivative of t, t का derivative with respect to t is 1, so derivative of t with respect to t is 1 into e raised to t का integration is e raised to t dt. Clear? So that becomes half t e raised to t minus 1 into e raised to t becomes e raised to t, right? 1 into e raised to t becomes e raised to t और e raised to t का integration क्या होता है? e raised to t. So this becomes e raised to t plus c. Clear? So now you can take e raised to t common there. So if I take e raised to t out, I am taking e raised to t out, okay? And 1 by 2 को अंदर लेके आ रहा है because आंसर में वैसे चाहिए. So what I am doing is e raised to t हम लोग कॉमन लेंगे बाहर और हाफ को अंदर लेके आएंगे हम लोग. So e raised to t goes out और हाफ अंदर आएगा तो क्या मिलेगा? t by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus c. Clear? We resubstitute the value of t here. So what we do is we resubstitute. t कितना था? t x square था, है ना? So your question answer becomes what? I is equal to, the answer becomes e raised to x square, e raised to x square into bracket में t by 2 था, t by 2 becomes x square by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus c. Okay, that's the answer. Now you already have the answer in the question. Question में they have given the answer there. आंसर में क्या दिया है? e raised to x square into f of x plus c, e raised to x square into f of x plus c. इसको अगर वो आंसर से कंपेयर किया हम लोग ने, if you compare this with the given answer, the answer was e raised to x square into f of x plus c, right? So this is f of x का value. Is that clear? So you can say f of x is equal to, what is f of x equal to? So f of x is equal to x square by 2 minus 1 by 2, है ना? x square by 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay, what you want is, you want f of the value of, in the sum you want the value of f of 2, you want the value of f of 2. So how do you get the value of f of 2? Put x equal to 2 there. So f of 2 will be equal to 2 का square 4 by 2 minus 1 by 2 है ना, that will become 3 by 2. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means the answer is option C here. The answer is option C here, 3 by 2. Clear? So here the answer is 3 by 2. The answer is option C. Clear everyone? So just solve this question. That's a little tricky sum there. Now there's one more tricky sum. If integration of f of x is equal to, this is called xi of x. It's a function of x basically. It's a Greek alphabet, alpha, beta, gamma, theta, phi, xi. So you pronounce this as xi of x. So if integration of f of x is equal to, f of x का integration हम लोगों ने दिया है xi of x, a function of x. ये कुछ तो एक लेटर है, जो pronounce करना है करो चलेगा. It's xi of x. So integration of f of x is equal to xi of x. Then find the integration of x raised to phi f of x cube dx. You have to find this now. So हम लोग को इसका इंटीग्रेशन फाइंड करना है. ओके, इसका इंटीग्रेशन फाइंड करना है. ना यहाँ पे x क्यूब है तो इसको भी x क्यूब बनाते हैं हम लोग. सेम लास्ट सम में ऐसे कैसे किया था. मेक एडजस्टमेंट्स हियर. So what I am going to do is, you have the options here. So the question to find is I is equal to, you have integration of x raised to phi दिया ना, that x raised to f of x क्यूब हम लोग वैसे लिखेंगे into x raised to phi. x raised to phi को I'll write x cube into x square dx. x cube into x square dx. x raised to phi को we wrote x cube into x square dx. Because यहाँ पे f of x cube है तो इसको मैं t लेने वाला हूँ, तो ये भी t हो जाएगा है ना. और t का डेरिवेटिव, व्हाट्स द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x क्यूब, 3x स्क्वायर आएगा ना. सो आई विल मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाई 3 ईयर. 3 से डिवाइड मल्टीप्लाई किया, 3 से बाहर डिवाइड किया. Is that clear to all? So now you can say put t is equal to x cube. Put t is equal to x cube. तो उसका डेरिवेटिव dt is equal to 3x square dx आएगा. राइट, ये याद रखना, लास्ट में आपस रीसब्स्टिट्यूट करने को काम आएगा. ओके, सो नाउ I becomes what? I is equal to 1 by 3 integration of f of t, x cube को t लिखे into t. Okay, and 3x square dx becomes dt. 3x square dx becomes dt. So 3x square dx becomes dt. So integration of t into f of t dt आएगा. Now here you can apply u into v now, because वो आंसर वो फॉर्म्स में दिया हुआ है. So what we do is, I'm going to take this function as u and this function as v. Now some students may ask a question here, sir कैसे पता चला, यहाँ पे तो पता ही नहीं कौन सा फंक्शन कौन है ना. तो मैंने v इसको इसके लिए लिया है बिकॉज इसका इंटीग्रेशन क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है. क्वेश्चन में दे हैव गिवन इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ f ऑफ t, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ f ऑफ x दिया है. कितना दिया है? xi ऑफ x दिया है ना. सो इंटीग्रेशन f ऑफ t कितना रहेगा? f ऑफ t विल बी xi ऑफ t आएगा. इज दैट क्लियर? तो इसका इंटीग्रेशन दिया हुआ है, इसके लिए हम लोग इसको v लेने वाले हैं. क्लियर? सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक दैट एज v. नाउ यूज द फॉर्मूला. So your question becomes 1 by 3 into bracket में u into v use करना, right? u into v में what we do, we write u as it is. u कौन है? u t. So t वैसे रहेगा into integration of f of t dt आएगा minus integration of bracket में derivative of t with respect to t into integration of f of t dt. The whole dt. Okay, so I have kept u as it is, v का integration minus integration of u का derivative और v का integration. Now complete this sum, you can do it yourself. Now it's 1 by 3 t into f of t का integration. Now tell me what is f of t का integration? f of x का integration question में दिया हुआ था. integration of f of x कितना दिया है? They have given xi of x. So f of t का integration will be what? It's going to be xi of t minus integration of t का derivative with respect to t is 1 into f of t का integration will be xi of t. The whole dt. Is that clear? Now here what we do is we resubstitute t and dt का value. सो टी वॉज एक्स क्यूब एंड डी टी क्या था, डी टी वॉज 3x square dx. You can check there. You can check here. T was x cube and dt was 3x square dx. Okay. So put those values in the question. You get 1 by 3 in the bracket. What do you had there? T is x cube. So you'll x cube into xi of x cube minus integration of xi of x cube into dt. dt को क्या लिखना है, dt को 3x square dx. So dt को you can write 3x square dx. Is that clear? Plus c. Now what you do is you can bring that 1 by 3 inside because वो आंसर वो फॉर्म में दिया हुआ है. सो 1 by 3 को अंदर लेके आओ, 1 by 3 इससे भी मल्टीप्लाई होगा और 1 by 3 इससे भी मल्टीप्लाई होगा. इसमें 3 और 3 कैंसिल हो जाएगा फिर. सो इफ आई ब्रिंग दैट 1 by 3 इनसाइड आई गेट 1 by 3 एक्स क्यूब इंटू xi ऑफ एक्स क्यूब माइनस यहाँ पे 1 by 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे ना, यहाँ पे सेकेंड टर्म को 1 by 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो ये और ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो व्हाट यू विल गेट, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ एक्स स्क्वेयर बचेगा खाली. यू विल गेट इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ एक्स स्क्वेयर इंटू xi ऑफ एक्स क्यूब dx. 1 by 3 x cube into xi of x cube, 1 by 3 x cube into xi of x cube minus integration of x square into xi of x square dx. The answer is option C there. Okay, so you can check the answer is option C there. Please solve this question again. एक दो बार वापस ध्यान से देखो, will understand better. You had made substitutions and then use the formula. है simple u into v का formula है, but थोड़ा सा substitution करने के बाद वो tricky question है. These kind of questions are there in JEE or entrance exams. Clear? So now there is one more question. Integration of cos of log x dx. Integration of cos log x dx. You can solve by substitution here. You can put t is equal to log x and then solve this sum. T is equal to log x, you can solve this question, or you can use cos of log x directly u into v कर सकते हैं हम लोग. दो methods है इसको. Okay, so let's try this question. Integration of cos of log x dx. So if you solve directly by u into v, then it's going to be integration of cos of log x dx. So I'll mark this as equation number 1. Now what we are going to do is you can assume this as integration of cos of log x into 1 dx. So you can take this as u and this as v, right? So this becomes integration of u cos log x into 1 का इंटीग्रेशन इज x माइनस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ब्रैकेट में cos log x का डेरिवेटिव बोलो, cos log x का डेरिवेटिव. सो cos ऑफ log x का डेरिवेटिव, cos x का डेरिवेटिव इज माइनस साइन x, तो cos log x का डेरिवेटिव भी माइनस साइन log x इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log x इज 1 by x भी आएगा, है ना. So this is u का डेरिवेटिव into v का इंटीग्रेशन, तो 1 का इंटीग्रेशन will be x, so into 1 का इंटीग्रेशन will be x here, so into 1 का इंटीग्रेशन is x the whole dx. Clear? So here you can find that x and x gets cancelled, right, and this minus into minus becomes plus, that minus into minus becomes plus. Okay, so you can write this as I is equal to, you had x into cos of log x, minus into minus becomes plus, integration of sin of log x into 1 dx. वापस मैंने into 1 इसके लिए लिखा है बिकॉज यू कैन सी ये डायरेक्ट सॉल्व नहीं होगा, इसको वापस हम लोग को सेकेंड टाइम क्या करना है, u into v यूज़ करना है अगेन, है ना. सो दिस बिकम्स इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ x cos log x x cos of log x प्लस u इंटू वी यूज़ करो, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ u इंटू वी अगेन. सो u वैसे लिखना है साइन लॉग x इंटू 1 का इंटीग्रेशन x माइनस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ब्रैकेट में साइन लॉग x का डेरिवेटिव आएगा, u का डेरिवेटिव. सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी साइन का डेरिवेटिव cos होता है, साइन log x का डेरिवेटिव विल बी cos log x इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log x इज 1 by x, राइट. दैट्स द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ u इंटू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ v, integration of 1. So 1 का integration becomes what? Into x the whole dx. So again you find that x and x gets cancelled. So what is left over there? Integration of cos log x, right? So I can write this as I, now the sum gets over here, is equal to x into first term क्या मिला था? Cos of log x. Then second term था plus x into sin of log x, x into sin of log x, sin of log x minus what you have there is integration of cos of log x. Is that clear? Now you can see you have got the question again. वापस question ही आ गया. और मैंने बताया था जब भी question आएगा उसको I substitute करना है, right? So you can put I here now. So this is actually I now. और ये I लिख दिया इसको हम लोगों ने और वहाँ पे हम लोग शिफ्ट करेंगे इसको. So that becomes 2I. है ना? So I've written I here. You get 2I is equal to, you can take x common in the right hand side. So that will become cos of log x plus sin of log x. Right? और 2 को वहाँ पे शिफ्ट करो, x by 2 हो जाएगा, x by 2. द आंसर बिकम्स x by 2, x by 2 और हाफ ऑफ x इंटू कॉस ऑफ log x प्लस साइन ऑफ log x प्लस c. सो द आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए देयर, हाफ x by 2 cos log x plus c. So here the answer is option A there, A. This is the answer. Okay. X by 2 or half x into cos log x plus sin log x. Please solve this question again. See next question, integration of sin inverse of 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. We had done a similar type of question yesterday, I mean in the last lecture. So you can see the last video जहाँ पे हम लोग ने ये टाइप का एग्जाम किया था और डेरिवेटिव्स में तुमको बताया था जब भी 2x upon 1 plus x square आया तो put x equal to tan theta, put x equal to tan theta. So here how do you solve? You can write put x equal to tan theta. So when you put x equal to tan theta, dx becomes, tan theta का derivative becomes sec square theta d theta, right? So your question becomes integration of sin inverse of, you had 2x था ना, उसको tan theta लिखोगे तो 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta into dx को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं sec square theta d theta, right? So I becomes integration of, now you know 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta किसका फॉर्मूला है? 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is sin 2 theta, right? 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is sin 2 theta. Then sin inverse and sin gets eliminated, then sin inverse sin eliminate हो जाएगा. That will become what? The question becomes 2 theta into sec square theta d theta. 2 theta into sec square theta d theta. Is that clear? I'll repeat again. 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta becomes sin 2 theta. तो ब्रैकेट में sin 2 theta है, बाहर sin inverse है, sin inverse and sin gets eliminated तो बचेगा 2 theta into sec square theta d theta. Is that clear? Now you have to apply u into v here. तो उसमें you have algebraic function and trigonometric function. लिएट में a पहले आता है, so algebraic function is taken as u and trigonometric function is taken as v. Clear? So this can be written as I is equal to, write u as it is, u कौन है u? 2 theta, वो ऐसे लिखना है तुमको, into sec square का इंटीग्रेशन, sec square theta का इंटीग्रेशन is tan theta माइनस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ब्रैकेट में u का डेरिवेटिव. सो द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 2 थीटा, 2 थीटा का डेरिवेटिव 2 आएगा और सेक स्क्वायर का इंटीग्रेशन tan आएगा. सो दैट बिकम 2 and sec square का इंटीग्रेशन इज tan theta d theta. Clear? So this can be written as 2 theta tan theta minus 2 into integration of tan theta. Or you can write directly here, 2 constant बाहर गया, tan का इंटीग्रेशन है ना. So take that 2 constant out. So minus 2 into integration of tan theta. Tan का इंटीग्रेशन is log of mod of, tan का इंटीग्रेशन log of mod of sec theta plus c. Clear? You can bring that 2 to the index then, है ना. You have a rule in log, m log a is equal to log of a raised to m. Yes or no? तो 2 ऊपर चला जाएगा तो रीसब्स्टिट्यूशन के लिए इजी हो जाएगा. So I becomes 2 theta tan theta minus log of sec square theta. 2 को ऊपर ले लिया, log of sec square theta plus c. Now we have to resubstitute theta, tan theta and sec square theta. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, listen here now. Theta कितना था, हम लोग ने किसको theta लिया था? We had taken x को tan theta, right? x को tan theta. So you know tan theta is x. Now if tan theta is x, then theta will be how much? Tan inverse of x, right? Okay. And I want sec square theta. You had a formula, sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. This is identity. So I can write 1 plus tan theta. Tan theta is x, so I can write 1 plus x square. So I'll make all these substitutions in the question. The answer, your answer becomes I is equal to, you had x, you had 2 into theta भी है और tan theta भी है, theta into tan theta. You have theta into tan theta. So what is theta का value? Tan inverse x और tan theta का value x. So this becomes 2x into tan inverse x, right? And the next term is minus log of mod of sec square. Sec square is 1 plus x square plus c. 2x tan inverse x minus log of 1 plus x square plus c. 2x tan inverse x minus log of 1 plus x square plus c. So your answer is option B there. 2x tan inverse x, 2x tan inverse x minus log of 1 plus x square plus c. Is that clear? So your answer is option B. Whatever, capital B or small letter b, जो भी है वो है. Okay. So these were the sums based on integration of u into v wala, MCQs as well as all theory sums. I have covered almost all the questions which are there for the state board, CBSE board, as well as a few MCQs from JEE pattern questions also. The similar type of questions or old paper questions there. Okay. So practice these questions on u into v. Now we go to one more application of u into v. Application of u into v means using integration by parts. u into v का formula use करके, integration by parts means u into v. So using that u into v का formula, we can prove and use this theorem in many other sums. इसके sums भी बहुत important है. The theorem says integration of e raised to x ब्रैकेट में एक फंक्शन प्लस उसका डेरिवेटिव, एक फंक्शन प्लस उसका डेरिवेटिव, एक फंक्शन प्लस उसका डेरिवेटिव, प्लस होना चाहिए बीच में, is always equal to e raised to x into f of x plus c. The answer will be e raised to x into f of x plus c. The theorem says any function integration of e raised to x, बाहर e raised to x होना चाहिए, x, और ब्रैकेट में एक फंक्शन प्लस उसका डेरिवेटिव आया ना, the answer is e raised to x into f of x plus c. So let's prove this theorem from here. How we got this? You can solve it as a sum only. So you want integration of, listen here now, you want integration of e raised to x ब्रैकेट में f of x plus f dash x dx, right? e raised to x bracket में f of x plus f dash x dx. So when I open the brackets here, take that integration and e raised to x inside, so it gets multiplied to both the terms there, right? So यहाँ पे भी आएगा और वो इससे भी multiply होगा, है ना? So when I open the brackets, I can write this as I is equal to integration of e raised to x into f of x dx, plus the second term will be integration of e raised to x into f dash x dx. Is that clear? Now I want the answer of this form. इसका आंसर चाहिए हम लोग, है ना? मतलब ये वाला टर्म आंसर में नहीं होना चाहिए. तो व्हाट वी डू इज उसको हम लोग को कैंसिल करने के लिए इसमें u इंटू वी यूज करने का. और यहाँ पे e रेज टू x दिख रहा है आपको, है ना? e रेज टू, यू हैव टू अप्लाई u इंटू वी ओनली इन द फर्स्ट फंक्शन, ओनली इन द फर्स्ट फंक्शन. We are going to use u into v only in the first function. Don't change the second function. खाली इसमें हम लोग u into v यूज करने वाले भी, ओके? तो उसमें this is v and this is u, because e raised to x हमेशा लिएट में e लास्ट में आता है, so e raised to x को v लेना है. So use the formula there, u into v, and so second term remains as it is. So this becomes I is equal to, now tell me, u into v यूज किया तो u remains the same, f of x into integration of e raised to x. So e raised to x का integration आएगा, that's e raised to x minus integration of bracket में f of x का डेरिवेटिव, f of x का डेरिवेटिव, u का डेरिवेटिव f of x का डेरिवेटिव, that's written as f dash x, है ना? u का डेरिवेटिव f of x का डेरिवेटिव f dash x into v का इंटीग्रेशन, so e raised to x का इंटीग्रेशन is e raised to x dx. ये अपना u into v हो गया, plus the second term remains as it is, integration of e raised to x into f dash x dx. Clear? So here you can see this becomes I is equal to e raised to x into f of x minus second term क्या मिला था हम लोग को, integration of e raised to x into f dash x dx. And you already had the last term जिसको हम लोग ने चेंज नहीं किया, e raised to x into f dash x dx plus c. Clear? So here you can see that the second term जो इंटीग्रेट करके मिला था u इंटू वी, और थर्ड टर्म जो क्वेश्चन में था वैसा का वैसे, दोनों सिमिलर, एक प्लस एक माइनस है, बराबर? सो दे कंप्लीटली गेट्स कैंसल्ड, है ना? माइनस प्लस कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो ये आंसर बिकम्स व्हाट, e रेज टू x into f of x plus c, right? So you have proved the formula here. The formula says integration of e raised to x into bracket में f of x plus f dash x dx is equal to e raised to x into f of x plus c. e raised to x into f of x plus c. So answer is e raised to x into f of x plus c. Done everyone? Yeah. Now this is the formula, you have to solve sums on these now. Integration of e raised to x bracket में f of x plus f dash x is equal to e raised to x into f of x plus c. Now before you start the questions, remember this is any function of x. ये कोई भी एक function होगा, बीच में प्लस साइन होनी चाहिए, और ये उसका डेरिवेटिव होगा. That's the derivative of that function. Derivative of that function. Okay? So there are certain questions where you find integration of e raised to x. So bracket में कुछ दिया रहेगा, तो क्या करना है आपको, एक को फंक्शन बनाना है, एक को उसका डेरिवेटिव बनाना है. The answer becomes e raised to x into function plus c. e raised to x into f of x plus c. I'll give a very simple example here. Very simple example here. Suppose you have integration of e raised to x into bracket में cos x plus sin x. Cos x plus sin x dx. So how do you solve this? So what we do is we can write this as integration of e raised to x into. Now tell me कौन किसका डेरिवेटिव है? cos का डेरिवेटिव sin है या sin का डेरिवेटिव cos है? सो देख लो, cos का डेरिवेटिव sin नहीं होता है, cos का डेरिवेटिव माइनस साइन होता है, ओके? बट sin का डेरिवेटिव cos x है, sin का डेरिवेटिव cos है, तो व्हाट वी डू इज वी राइट sin x फर्स्ट प्लस cos x the whole dx. Clear to all? Now you can see this is the function, ये function है, बराबर है ना, और ये उसका डेरिवेटिव है, बराबर. सो ये एफ ऑफ एक्स है और ये एफ डैश एक्स है. The formula says what? The answer should be e raised to x into f of x plus c. The answer should be e raised to x into f of x sin x plus c. Clear? So this is one example. You have similar more sums based on that. So let's solve questions on this now. Come on. Try the first question. I is equal to integration of 1 minus cot x plus cot square x dx. 1 minus cot x plus cot square x dx. 1 minus cot x plus cot square x dx. Anyone? That's a very simple, very shorter question there. How do you solve this? Tell me. So what we do is we write integration of e raised to x into bracket में I'll write minus cot x पहले लिखूंगा मैं. Okay, minus cot x and you have 1 plus cot square x. You had an identity, trigonometric identity है 1 plus cot square x. What is 1 plus cot square x? 1 plus cot square x को हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं? 1 plus cot square x. ट्रिगो का आइडेंटिटी sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. And this one, 1 plus cot square theta. What is 1 plus cot square theta? That is cosec square theta, right? So here we can write 1 plus cot square x को we can write cosec square x. Or cosecant square x dx. Okay. Now tell me what's the derivative of cot x. Cot x का derivative है minus cosec square x. Cot x का derivative is minus cosec square x. Cot का derivative minus cosec square है ना. तो minus cot का derivative plus cosec square हो जाएगा ना. Cot का derivative is minus cosec square x. So minus cot का derivative will be plus cosec square x. तो ये तुम्हारा function है और ये उसका derivative है, right? So we can use that formula. What formula we can use here? So you can say integration of e raised to x bracket में f of x plus f dash x dx is equal to e raised to x into f of x plus c. So using that formula, this is f of x and this is f dash x. The answer becomes e raised to x into f of x. So answer becomes e raised to x into minus cot x plus c, or you can keep that minus n out. So your answer becomes minus of e raised to x into cot x plus c. Okay. Now sometimes what they do is they can give you any number, like you can check here a similar question I am giving you. Suppose they give you MCQ or any sum, numerical sum, and I am just giving an example. Integration of e raised to x bracket में instead of 1 they can give you 2 plus tan x plus tan square x. So how do you solve this now? So in this case what do? You have to take this 2 as 1 plus 1. 2 को क्या लेना है? 1 plus 1. Okay, and you're going to write this as integration of e raised to x into एक 1 plus tan x लिखो. Okay, we write 1 plus tan x here. So e raised to x into bracket में एक 1 और एक tan x साथ में लिखना है, तो 1 plus tan x. ओके, और ये एक 1 और ये एक tan square x. 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x, so you can write sec square x. Secant square x, sec square x. Right? Now this is your function and this is the derivative of that. So this is f of x and this is f dash x. So 1 plus tan x is f of x and sec square x is f dash x. You can use the formula e raised to x into f of x plus f dash x. तो इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? The answer will be e raised to x into f of x means 1 plus tan x plus c. Clear? So यहाँ पे है ना, they had given 2. They can give 12. You can write 11 plus 1. So 11 इधर आ जाएगा और 1 plus tan square sec square हो जाएगा. So be smart, एग्जाम्स में नंबर 2 12 कुछ भी आ सकता है. हम लोग खाली 1 इसके साथ ना, बाकी इसका डेरिवेटिव 0 ही होता है. Clear? So these are similar questions. Please write the questions and try it yourself. They are exactly similar questions. You can tell me orally. ये tan x है 1 plus tan square x sec square x हो जाएगा. ये f of x है f dash x है, सम खत्म. यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट्स को अंदर लेके आओ. You'll get sec x plus sec x tan x, right? है ना, खत्म सम. ये एफ ऑफ एक्स है और ये एफ डैश एक्स है. सेक एक्स का डायरेक्ट सेक एक्स इंटू टैन एक्स. सो यू कैन सॉल्व दिस टू क्वेश्चंस. We start the next question now. Check out this question. That's a good question. Integration of e raised to x into 1 plus sin x upon 1 plus cos x. Now I hope you remember in the last lecture when I had started with u into v, मैंने ये एक sum वहाँ पे भी किया था वहाँ पे, लेकिन मैंने u into v use करके solve किया था. Okay, and that was a bit lengthier. But now we can do the same question using this formula. So you can reduce the last 2 or 3 steps there. So what we do is we can write this as integration of e raised to x into bracket में you have 1 plus sin x. Now what's the formula for sin a? Sin a का formula is 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. और नीचे 1 plus cos है, 1 plus cos. 1 plus cos का formula is 1 plus cos का formula. What is 1 plus cos a का formula? It's 2 cos square a by 2. So you can write 2 cos square x by 2 the whole dx. Clear? Now you got to separate them. So when you separate them, this becomes I is equal to integration of e raised to x into bracket में 1 upon 2 cos square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 upon 2 cos square x by 2. Is that clear? The whole dx. So here now you can see some term gets cancelled here. यहाँ पे है ना you will find that 2 and 2 gets cancelled, 1 cos gets cancelled, 1 cos gets cancelled. डिनोमिनेटर में cos square था, एक cos cancel हुआ है, तो बचा एक sin और एक cos, है ना. यहाँ पे दो एक ही cos है, यहाँ पे 2 cos था. So एक cos cancel हो गया, एक cos बचा है. So now you have sin upon cos. Sin upon cos becomes tan. So I am writing in such a way so that you should come out with the answer now. So this can be integration of e raised to x into bracket में मैं ना I am writing the first term, second term first. मैं पहले ये term लिख रहा हूँ. Sin upon cos becomes what? Sin upon cos becomes tan. That's going to be tan x by 2 plus. Now what is the first term now? 1 by 2 है और 1 by cos square है. पहले बोलो 1 by cos square क्या होता है? 1 by cos square. 1 by cos square becomes secant square. So 1 by cos square is x square x by 2 और साथ में into 1 by 2 भी है, तो मैंने अलग से लिखा है into 1 by 2 dx. वो इसके लिए लिखा है बिकॉज सबको डेरिवेटिव क्लिक होना चाहिए. नाउ यू कैन सी वेरी क्लियरली tan x अगर एक फंक्शन लिया, वो द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ tan x. tan x का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? sec square x, बराबर. बट यहाँ पे tan x नहीं है, tan x by 2 है, x by 2. So tan x by 2 का डेरिवेटिव विल बी sec square x by 2 into derivative of x by 2 भी आएगा, that becomes 1 by 2, right? So you can say this is the function and this is the derivative of that function. So I'll be using the formula and complete the sum there. Integration of e raised to x bracket में function plus उसका derivative is always equal to e raised to x into f of x plus c. E raised to x into f of x plus c. So write the answer. The answer becomes e raised to x into f of x. Who's f of x here? Tan x by 2 plus c. Okay, that's being asked as a MCQ also. Please remember this question. That's a good sum there. So e raised to x into f of x plus f dash x is equal to e raised to x into f of x plus c. You have a similar question. Now you can do it yourself. You can do it faster also. You have 2 here plus यहाँ पे sin 2x है. sin 2x का फॉर्मूला तुम लोग लिख सकते हो 2 sin x into cos x, right? और नीचे 1 plus cos का फॉर्मूला, 1 plus cos 2a का फॉर्मूला becomes 2 cos square x, 2 cos square x और ये 2 sin x cos x. ओके, नाउ सेपरेट कर दो, इसमें 2 कैंसिल होगा, एक cos कैंसिल होगा, sin upon cos tan आ जाएगा, तो एक tan x मिलेगा और यहाँ पे 2 upon 2 cos square sec square x आएगा. सो tan फंक्शन है, ये डेरिवेटिव है ना. The answer is e raised to x into tan x plus c. E raised to x into tan x plus c. That's the answer there. Please try it yourself. Do the sum yourself. Or should I solve and show you? Okay. I'll show the sum there. It's integration of e raised to x into bracket में you had 1 नहीं 2 था 2 plus plus you add sin 2x. Sin 2x का formula is 2 sin x into cos x, the same as last question रही. And denominator you add 1 plus cos 2x है, 2x तो x हो जाएगा, and 1 plus cos 2x becomes 2 cos square x the whole dx. So now when you separate them you get e raised to x into bracket में what is first term upon first term, 2 gets cancelled, 1 by cos square बचेगा, you can write sec square x plus second term upon the denominator, second term on denominator 2 cancel होगा, एक cos cancel होगा, तो sin upon cos बचेगा, that will become tan x dx, right? Now you can say this is f of x, tan x is f of x, tan का डेरिवेटिव sec square है, sec square का डेरिवेटिव tan नहीं है, तो ये f of x है और ये f dash x है, तो आंसर becomes e raised to x into f of x, है ना? So e raised to x into f of x means the answer is option D there. So your answer is option D there. Clear? Check out this question now. Integration of e raised to x plus 1 upon x plus 2 the whole square dx. That's a NCERT as well as a state board question also. You have to make adjustments to create the function and the derivative inside. So you can write integration of e raised to x into bracket में, numerator में you have x plus 1. What I'll do is I'll write x plus 1. 1 को I'll write plus 2, denominator का जैसा बनाने के लिए minus 1. ये जो 1 है ना 1, उसको मैंने क्या लिखा है 2 minus 1. क्या लिखा है मैंने 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 upon the denominator is same upon x plus 2 the whole square dx. Okay, now let's separate them. So you can write integration of e raised to x. If you separate, you get x plus 2 पहला term upon the whole denominator plus minus 1 upon the whole denominator. Is that clear? So यहाँ पे you can see in the first term 1x plus 2 gets cancelled. एक x plus 2 cancel हो जाएगा, right? है ना? तो क्या बचेगा? Integration of, you will have integration of e raised to x into bracket 1 upon x plus 2 plus the second term was what? Second term minus 1 upon x plus 2 the whole square. Clear to all? So here you can see और I'll just ask you the formula. What's the derivative of 1 by x? 1 by x का derivative क्या था? 1 by x का derivative minus 1 by x square, right? है ना? Then what's the derivative of 1 by x plus 2? 1 by x plus 2. So इसका derivative will be minus 1 by x plus 2 the whole square into derivative of this I भी आएगा ना, x plus 2 का derivative is 1, तो वही आने वाला है. So here you can see this is the function, this is the function. ये f of x है और ये उसका derivative f dash x है. So use the same formula, integration of e raised to x into f of x plus f dash x dx is equal to. So your answer becomes what? E raised to x into f of x. Or you can write this as e raised to x upon x plus 2 plus c. E raised to x upon x plus 2 plus c. Clear? So what you have done, we have made the numerator same as the denominator, plus 1 minus 1 किया मैंने. You have similar questions here. You can solve it yourself. यहाँ पे x plus 1 x है तो इसको लिखना plus 1 minus 1. Okay? यहाँ पे x plus 3 और x plus 2 है तो इसमें लिखना 3 minus 1 और separate करके फिर solve कर दो. Please solve these questions yourself so you understand the concept more clearly. Now a similar question. Please mark this question. That's very, very, very important, Sam. Important for your boards as well as important for the entrance exams also. So the question says integration of x square plus 1 upon x plus 1 the whole square into e raised to x dx. यहाँ पे e raised to x यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. That's multiplication. So you can write this as I is equal to integration of, I am writing e raised to x पहले, into numerator में you have x square plus 1 and denominator you have x plus 1 the whole square. Okay. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to again e raised to x into numerator में I'll write x square minus 1 plus 2. See what I've done there. मैंने वो प्लस वन को मैंने लिखा है -1 plus 2 और आई हैव रिटन 2 minus 1 ओके. प्लस 1 को लिखा है 2 minus 1 plus 2 upon the denominator remains the same, x plus 1 the whole square dx. Now I'm going to separate them now. So if I separate them, I can write this as integration of e raised to x bracket में. The first term upon denominator becomes x square minus 1 upon x plus 1 the whole square, and the second term becomes plus 2 upon x plus 1 the whole square. 2 upon x plus 1 the whole square. So this can be written as integration of e raised to x into bracket में x square minus 1. Now you can imagine this 1 as 1 square, है ना. What is a square minus b square का factors? A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b, right? A plus b into a minus b. So x square minus 1 square को I can write x plus 1 into x minus 1 upon denominator remains the same, x plus 1 the whole square, and the second term remains the same, plus 2 upon x plus 1 the whole square dx. Now you can see in the first term एक x plus 1 कैंसिल हो जाएगा इसके साथ. होल स्क्वायर में दो टर्म्स होते हैं, एक कैंसिल हो गया, है ना. तो अभी बचा क्या तुम्हारे पास, x minus 1 x plus 1 एंड 2 upon x plus 1. ना वो कैंसिल होने के बाद जो बचा है ना, उसमें फर्स्ट टर्म फंक्शन और सेकेंड टर्म उसका डेरिवेटिव है. I'll show you now. So this can be written as integration of e raised to x into bracket में you have x minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus 2 upon x plus 1 the whole square dx. So now you can check. In fact, you have done this sum in derivatives का initial part of 11th standard. ये एक function है और ये इसका derivative है. Now many times students don't understand, so I'll show you the derivative of that now. So we'll be finding the derivative of x minus 1 upon x plus 1, है ना. यहाँ पे you have to use that quotient rule, u upon v use करना है. Quotient rule says denominator v into derivative of numerator. What's the derivative of numerator? X का derivative with respect to x is 1, है ना, minus numerator. What is the numerator? X minus 1 into derivative of denominator. What's the derivative of denominator? Is also 1, right? The whole divided by denominator का square. Okay, what I have done is v denominator, I have to use quotient rule, u upon v. So it's v into derivative of u, है ना, minus u into derivative of v upon denominator का square. Open the brackets in the numerator and check. You get x plus 1 minus x plus 1 the whole upon x plus 1 the whole square. Then you can see here that x and x gets cancelled. What is 1 plus 1? So you get the answer as 2 upon x plus 1 the whole square, right, है ना. तो ये हम लोग का इसका डेरिवेटिव ये मिला है, तो ये f of x है और ये उसका डेरिवेटिव f dash x है. एंड चेक f of x and f dash x, right. So the answer becomes what? You have to use that formula. So the answer becomes e raised to x into f of x plus c. E raised to x into f of x क्या था? x minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus c. Clear? Please solve this question. They are very important sum. Very important question for entrance. Very important for board exams also. So you have make adjustment in the numerator after cancellation. You get function plus uska derivative. Function plus uska derivative. Now solve this question, check this question. The integration of sin log x plus cos log x dx is equal to, and you have four options here, sin log x plus c, x into sin log x plus c, cos log x plus c, x into cos log x plus c. Here you can use u into v in the first term, or you can use a substitution and then use e raised to x wala formula. Now before I start this sum, everyone remember you have started in 11th standard log power indices. If you have log of a to the base b is equal to x, then you can write the exponential form b raised to x is equal to a. You can write b raised to x is equal to a, b raised to x is equal to a, right. Similarly, if you have, if log of x to the base कुछ नहीं है तो e एक्सपोनेंट है, बराबर ना, इक्वल टू t है, t, तो x कितना रहेगा then what is x का value, then x will be equal to e raised to t, x will be equal to e raised to t. So please remember this very well before you go to the next level of questions. All the next questions are similar one now. So in this MCQ you have sin of log x, cos of log x. Sin of log x, cos of log x को solve करने के लिए you can say put t is equal to log x. log का बेस e है ना, तो t log x लिया तो x कितना मिलेगा, e raised to t, e raised to t, और उसका डेरिवेटिव dx, dx becomes e raised to t dt, e raised to t dt, right. So when you make that substitution in the question, your question becomes integration of खत्म sum, see here sin t, sin log x था है ना, हम लोग ने log x को t लिया, check the question, sin log x plus cos log x into dx. So sin log x को you can write t, so sin t plus cos t, and dx को you have to write e raised to t dt, e raised to t dt, clear. Now you can use the formula, e raised to x है, ये ना फंक्शन है और ये उसका डेरिवेटिव है, yes no. So this is a function plus उसका डेरिवेटिव, e raised to x into f of x plus f dash x is equal to e raised to x into f of x plus c. So answer becomes e raised to t into sin t plus c, है ना. You have to resubstitute the values now. What is e raised to t and what is t now? तो e raised to t कितना है बोलो, e raised to t का वैल्यू कितना है, e raised to t का वैल्यू x है, e raised to t का वैल्यू x है और t का वैल्यू log x है. तो e raised to t को you can write x, e raised to t को you can write x into sin of t, t कितना था, t log x plus c. So answer is x into sin log x plus c, x into sin log x plus c, x into sin log x plus c, x into sin log x plus c means the answer is option B there, x into sin log x plus c, clear. So answer is option B there. Done. Check out this question now, integration of log x minus 1 upon 1 plus log x the whole square, and the whole square is given there. Numerator it's given whole square, whole square. So how do you solve this now? Log x minus 1 upon 1 plus log x square the whole square dx. And you have options here. This is again a JEE means AIEEE 2005 का level का question है. You have to solve by the same method. You have to say put t is equal to log x, t is equal to log of x. log का बेस e है ना, अगर t log x लिया तो x will be equal to e raised to t हो जाएगा, and the derivative dx becomes e raised to t का that is e raised to t only, so e raised to t dt. So your question becomes integration of, now you have 1, ऊपर log x minus 1 है, so you can write t minus 1 upon 1 plus log का square है तो t square आएगा, the whole square, okay, you had the whole square of the question, into dx, dx is e raised to t dt. Clear to all? Yes or no? So you have t minus 1 upon 1 plus t square the whole square, and dx becomes e raised to t dt. Now the square is applicable for the entire term numerator and denominator, right? What I am going to do is I am going to use numerator में whole square का formula, और denominator में I will just write whole square. We won't expand. न्यूमरेटर को a माइनस बी द होल स्क्वायर फॉर्मुलाइज करो, डिनोमिनेटर खाली होल स्क्वायर लिखो, एक्सपैंड मत करो, एक्सपैंड सिर्फ न्यूमरेटर को करना है. सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू राइट दिस एज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ टी स्क्वायर प्लस 1 माइनस 2t, ए स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वायर, बट मैंने 2t लास्ट में लिखा है. दिस इज ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab. Okay, so a square plus b square minus 2ab, or a minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square, and the denominator was t square plus 1, so 1 plus t square the whole square, so I am writing t square plus 1 the whole square, okay. I think you can do the sum now, into the remaining terms are same, e raised to t dt, done, e raised to t dt. Now if I separate them, I get integration of t square plus 1 upon t square plus 1 the whole square plus minus 2t upon t square plus 1 the whole square, and you have that e raised to t and dt here. Now here in the numerator first term में that 1 t plus t square plus 1 gets cancelled, है ना, ये t square plus 1 एक cancel हो जाएगा, नीचे square है तो दो terms है. So what is left over? That's your answer now. Tell me everyone now. You can write this as integration of, now I am writing e raised to t पहले bracket में 1 upon, what is left there is t square plus 1 plus the second term is minus 2t upon t square plus 1 the whole square dt. So you can see now ये function है और ये उसका derivative है. 1 by f of x का derivative is equal to minus 1 by f of x the whole square into derivative of f of x भी होता है ना. So यहाँ पे you have, I'll show you the derivative here. यहाँ पे you have what, अगर मैंने इसको f of x लिया तो उसका डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? वॉज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 1 अपॉन टी स्क्वायर प्लस 1 विल बी इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन minus 1 upon t square plus 1 the whole square into derivative of that अंदर वाला term. अंदर वाला term becomes 2t plus 0. So the derivative becomes minus 2t upon t square plus 1 the whole square. Right? So this is f dash x. वही मिला ना अपने को. So you can see the question now is in the form e raised to x into f of x plus f dash x dx. So when I use the formula, I get this as integration of, this answer becomes e raised to t into 1 upon t square plus 1. Right? So what is e raised to t? Resubstitute करना. e raised to t कौन था? e raised to t क्या था? e raised to t is x and t was log x. e raised to t is x. So the answer becomes e raised to t is x upon t was log x. So log x the whole square plus 1 plus c. The answer is x upon log x the whole square plus 1 plus c. X upon log x the whole square plus 1 plus c. So your answer here is option B there, right? So the answer is option B. So please solve these questions based on e raised to x into f of x plus f dash x. I have given these two similar questions. Please solve this also. ये दोनों में भी वही substitution करना है. Put t is equal to log x and solve that. Clear to all? So we have done in this lecture, we have done integration of u into v. का few more questions. Some MCQs of integration of u into v and the application of u into v, that's e raised to x into f of x plus f dash x dx is equal to e raised to x into f of x plus c. Clear? You please like the channel, subscribe the channel and share with your friends also. Thank you so much everyone. Take care. I'll come with the next lecture, next video, which will have the last part of integration, that's integration by partial fractions. Thank you so much everyone. Take care.